On the menu today, we have smoked mackerel fish. I stopped buying mackerel fish from the marketplaces for a very long time now after I discovered this hack. This in a way makes sure I eat cleaner fishes because those ones we buy in the market are usually infested with a lot of flies and dust. So if you want to see how I achieved this homemade smoked mackerel fish, kindly sit back and enjoy the process. Do not skip this video because I will be leaving an essential tip for you at the end of the video. I've been soaking my fish in salt water for 30 minutes, so I don't need to add extra salt to this. And I'll be also needing some bamboo shrekers. These bamboo shrekers in a way will hold the tail of the fish in the mouth of the fish. If you don't have bamboo shrekers, toothpick can also do the job. Number one tip to achieve that authentic market smoked flavor is grill the fish, or will I say smoke the fish with the belly inside. So normally when you buy fish from the market, you notice that the market women grill the fish with the belly inside. But I don't like the belly of my fish in it while grilling it. That's why I'll be taking it off. But if you don't have an issue with that, you can leave the belly of the fish in it while you grill. So with the help of my bamboo shrekers, I fixed the tail of the fish right in the mouth of the fish. You can see the way I did it. Make sure the edge of your bamboo shrekers are very sharp because you need the shrekers to go right through the tail down to the mouth of the fish. I smoked my fish in my oven for 1 hour 30 minutes on each side. And after smoking this fish for 1 hour 30 minutes, I introduced my liquid smoke. Tip number 2. Use liquid smoke to brush off on the skin of this fish. Those of us who use liquid smoke in our BBQ recipes, we all know liquid smokes take the flavors from level 100 to level 1000. So you can see my liquid smoke here. I just brush on my liquid smoke on my fish, and that is just it. Immediately I returned this fish to the oven, my whole house started smelling like where they smoke fish. The authentic flavor and authentic taste just came to life. There you have it, guys, your authentic smoked mackerel fish. I got these 6 pieces of fish for 2,500, but I know if I was to buy this in the market, I will get a piece for 1,200, meaning I have saved myself some cash and I have also saved myself from the whole market stress and hurdle. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, always like my videos, and I will see you in my other videos. Bye and have a productive day ahead.